Conference calling from your 6930 phone allows you to add callers to an already existing call. To start a conference call, you must have a call active on your phone. Select Add User from the soft keys. This places your active call on hold. You hear dial tone. Place a call to the person you want to add to this call. If this person does not answer, you can select Back to Held to return to the person on hold. If this person does answer, you can have a private conversation with them before adding them to the conference. If you need to return to the user on hold, select Trade Call. Select Join Calls to add all the callers to the same call. You can repeat these steps to add more participants. You can have 8 total participants in the call, including yourself. If you have 2 calls already active on your phone, you can select Add Held. Select the held caller you would like to add. This combines your 2 calls into a conference call. If you want to leave the call, you can. Select Leave Call. This leaves the other 2 callers connected. You have some other options while in a conference. You can select Transfer. Just like transferring any other call, the entire conference is transferred to another user. You can split the conference call. This separates the callers. They have no access to communicate with each other in the conference during this time. The person who started the conference call can now talk to each party individually while the other parties are on hold. Move between the parties by selecting Trade Call. To disconnect from the other parties, but allow them to stay connected, hang up your phone. The other parties from the conference call are reconnected. They can continue with the conference call or hang up from the call.